Elaine. Welcome to another what I eat in a week video, and this week I'll be showing you guys what I eat in my Korean household. Thankfully, when I'm at home, my mom cooks a lot of our meals for us, so you guys will see a lot of bomb Korean food. Let's just get on with the video. That looks so good. Alright, for this video, we're starting off with Monday dinner, which was posam. And posam is basically boiled pork, and then you wrap it in lettuce or cabbage, and you also eat it with kimchi. And here I'm just showing you how I make a posam wrap, but it's super yummy, super good, and it's pretty easy to make. There's only a few ingredients, so I definitely recommend trying this at home. We just air fried this hot dog from H Mart, and we're gonna put vanilla ice cream on it, and this combination is so good. So I'm just gonna put a scoop of ice cream on this. For Tuesday lunch, my mom made budae-jjigae, which is Korean army stew. It's very similar to kimchi-jjigae, which is kimchi stew, except there's a few more ingredients like sausage. You can even put ramen in it if you want, but it was super yummy, and of course my mom is a great cook. So my grandma shipped some side dishes that she made from Korea, so I'm gonna taste test them. I think this is squid or octopus, but I'll try this one. Let us try this. Okay. Wait, it's so good. Oh my gosh. So juicy. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it has fish eggs in it. The best part. Oh my gosh, I love mushrooms, guys. So good. On Thursday, my family had homemade 탕수육, and 탕수육 is basically fried pork, and then you dip it into the sweet and sour sauce. That's really yummy. Hey guys, so I recently discovered Trader Joe's chocolate chip sandwich cookies, and they're basically just 2 cookies sandwiched together with chocolate in the middle, and it's so good. I can't believe I just found these now, but this is already like my 3rd box, I think, from like the past month, which is really bad because I'm pretty sure this has so many calories. Yeah, it's 130 calories for 2 of these, so I think I have like 2 of these every day, which is really bad. Hey guys, so I just made myself a cup of coffee and I put a heck of a ton of sugar in it because I love sweet coffee. But I am just doing some work right now and I have a few meetings coming up, so hopefully this coffee will get me through today. For dinner, I had miyeokguk or seaweed soup with some rice, and then I also had some leftover 탕수육 from lunch on the side. And my family got this pack of frozen mini mukbang from H-Mart, so we decided to try it, and we air fried it, which made it super crispy and yummy. And actually some of them exploded and you can see the red bean inside, but it was still really good. Oh, it's cold. Hey guys, today I'll be making cheese tteokbokki for dinner. This is from H-Mart, but it's just tteokbokki or Korean rice cake, and it has cheese in the middle, and it's super bomb. I've had this before, but it's really good, so we're gonna be making this today. Oh my gosh, I'm crying. Oh my gosh.
Tired, I'm feeling so tired. I've lost, I can't sleep tonight. I cry as time passes by. It's 2 at night, I can't sleep tonight. Why, just why, I feel unalive. I'm trapped in what I call my mind. Love, it's love, what even is love? Now I'm empty. I still don't change. I'm still down here. Thought I'd change. I'm still broken. Love, I love to cover my thoughts. Don't want anyone to cross my thoughts. Tired, I'm feeling so tired. I'm tired, will I hold it right?